So yeah, last week I was thinking of doing something new. Then I thought of using charcoal pencils, which I don't own one. So I bought them. I haven't tried charcoal ever. We can say this was my first time. Then what? There I was figuring out how to use it, how to shade with it, how to blend. Really, how to blend. Then I thought of using it as a normal pencil. I tried to normalize it as any other graphite pencil. Told myself these charcoal pencils are some dark HB pencils, and that's what I usually do with pencils. First I started with lighter layer, which was hard charcoal pencil, then added some layer on it, then later for dark part I switched to medium charcoal pencils, and for the darkest I used soft charcoal pencil. Then I used blending stump to blend in it a bit to add some color. I added notes. So yeah, this is it. Let me know what you prefer, graphite or charcoal. I still prefer both. I like both.